A little mouse.
You little son of a dick.
Shan.
Technically is.
Look at her little mouse. Look at that.
Look. She's going up.
Is that a crunchy pea bunny? Is that crunchy? How crunchy is it? Your nose looks like a bum. Oh, hi. Hey, look what else we have. We have some strawberries. Bunny.
Cobra's gonna get you.
Your red eyes are predominant in this video.
You think you're faster than the cobra? Try and run. I dare you.
Hi. Hello, buddies. Do you want to have some strawberry? Give her some strawberry. Oh, she's cleaning.
Get it down there. You washing up after your meal? Bulimics. Well, at least we know you're a woman for sure. No giant bunny dick.
Don't disturb her. Aw, you made her stop. She wasn't finished.
Oh. Cobra.
Bunny. Oh.
She gets down right away.
Where are you going? Sorry, that was probably bright in your eye.
If she goes further, Cobra's gonna get her.
Aw, look at the bunny tail. Ba-doop.
Oh yeah.
Shan.
I'm rubbing her little tail nub. Feel the tail nub. It's right here.
Feel the tail nub. Yeah, it's the bone. Why won't she eat this strawberry?
'Cause she's on crack.
It looks so yummy, though.
I'm here.
Bunny. Come here. We want to see you.
Come here, little bunny.
Bunny, we want to see you.
My knee. You'll like it. Here, bunny. Get over here. So
Give her some strawberry. Give her this.
she's gonna gnaw my. I'm good. She doesn't like strawberry.
You sure?
Yeah. You're making a mess. Are you gonna lay some eggs? No, you're not. Because you're not the Easter bunny.
Are you the Easter bunny?
Like, ready? Lay down. Amazing.
This is a very long video.
Kid, stop it.
Bunny said bye. Oh, he's sleepy. You're lying down now. You're lying down. You're tired.